Want to send the same message to multiple people on WhatsApp without creating a group chat? In this video, I'll show you how to create a broadcast list on WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. Open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Broadcast Lists. Then tap on New Broadcast plus icon to create a new broadcast list. Next, choose the contacts you want to add to your broadcast list. Once you've selected all the contacts, tap on Create. Your new broadcast list is now ready. Simply type the message you want to send and tap the Send button. WhatsApp will deliver the message individually to all selected contacts, so each person receives it as a private chat instead of a group message. This is a great way to send announcements, invitations, reminders, or updates to multiple people at once while keeping conversations private. You can continue using the broadcast list anytime by opening it from your chat list and sending new messages. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.